Hello kids, welcome to my another video. Today we will learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kids, this is our color. And kids, this is brown color. This is brown color. Next color is red. This is red color. This is red color. Next color is green. This is green color. This is green color. And next color is sky blue color. This is sky blue color. This is sky blue color. So kids, last color is orange. This is orange color. This is orange color. Let's start the video. Red color. This is 1. This is 1. Sky blue color. 2. Kids, this is 2. Brown color. 3. Kids, this is 3. This is 3. Orange color. 4. Kids, this is 4. Orange color. This is 4. Green color. 5. Kids, this is 5. And this is green color. This is green color. This number is 5. Red color. 6. Kids, this is 6. Red color. 6. Sky blue color. 7. This is 7. Kids, this is 7. Brown color. Kids, this is brown color. 8. Kids, this is 8. Say 8. Kids, say 8. Orange color. This is 9. Kids, this is 9. This color is orange. This is orange color. 9. Green color. This is 10. Kids, this is 10. 1 and 0. This is 10. Green color. This is 10. Red color. 11. 1 and 1. This is 11. And this is red color. This is red color. 11, sky blue color. This is sky blue color. 12, 1 and 2, 12. Kids say 12. Brown color. 13. Kids say 13. 1 and 3. 13. This is brown color. Say 13. Orange color. 1 and 4. 14. Orange color. Kid, this is orange color. And this number is 14. Say 14. Next and last number is 15. This is green color. 1 and 5. 15. Kids say 15. This is green color. Say 15. This is 15. So kids, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.